Now, this is how we can copy a section on the iPad. So you essentially have to find the section of whatever you want to copy. For example, it's going to be in the Pages app, and you want to find the section, for example, this one in here. So what I want to do is essentially select it all so I can copy it and then paste it somewhere else. So I'm going to tap on it like this to get to the edit mode. I'm going to double tap the first word like this. You can see only the first word got selected. So I'm not going to be happy with that, and instead I'm going to grab the selector tool and select more stuff with it. So as you can see, the whole section is now selected and the options above it appear. So obviously I'm going to click on copy, or if I want to select all, I can do that, or even more things. But let me just click on a copy like that, and then now I can move to a different place, for example, into the Notes app. Let me just start a new one, and if I just tap on it like this, click on paste, now the whole thing is essentially pasted in here. So I copied the section of the document from Pages app and pasted it into the Notes or wherever else I would need to. So that's how you're going to do this. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know if it worked the same way for you as well. Let me know if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot. Subscribe for more similar tips and videos like this, and I'll see you later.